Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Redmi K40 Pro, and today I will show you how we can take a screenshot on this device. We got three methods. I will show you all of them. The first one, the very common, the most common, power key and the volume down button at the same time. Just click it once, like that. As you can see, screenshot was taken. It's very simple. You have to enter for the screenshot and then tap save on the right upper corner. Then another one, the second method, open notification bar from the right side and find screenshot icon. When you click on it once, the screenshot will be taken, just like that. And the last option, you have to go for the settings, find additional settings, then move for gesture shortcuts. And when we are here, we have to take a screenshot, this option, enter, and enable this switcher to take screenshot by sliding with three fingers down. As you can see, it works every time on the very screen that you want to capture. Let's see if it performs here. Yeah, it also works here. So as you can see, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.